Now here's some gaming stocks of a different kind. Let's talk about gambling. One casino not so lucky last quarter, Las Vegas Sands. Shares are down about 10% in extended trade, and that's after revenue at Sands fell short of the street's forecasts. The net losses widened nearly 20-fold. Sands lost money on charges related to selling retail space. It also had trouble in Macau, its major source of revenue, after fewer Chinese were allowed into the gambling enclave. Things may also be slow over in Singapore, where LVS is building a casino resort. The Straits Times reports LVS is struggling to fill 4,500 jobs. It's hired just 2,000 so far. Still, the company says it is on track to open in the first quarter of next year. As for Rival Wynn, those shares rose the most in 3 months, 13% in fact, after profit beat estimates. The casino said it cut $100 million of costs in Vegas and another $66 million in Macau.